Hello everyone and welcome to our video for today. I hope everyone is doing fine. Today we are going to continue with our easy lesson, the one that we started last class. So last class we talked about quantifiers, and today we're going to see different forms of quantifiers such as too many, too much, and not enough. And we're going to see how are we going to use them with some examples, of course. So to begin with, too comes with an adjective. So we use too and we make sure that it is followed by an adjective. For example, we can look at this photo of this lady who's surrounded by snow and feeling cold a little bit, judging her by her clothes. So we can say that she's feeling too cold, or maybe we can say the weather's too cold, or the snow is too cold. The same goes for this plastic treatise, obviously, which is too slow. They are just as slow as the regular ones. And we here in the third picture have a cat reading a book, and the cat is saying that this book is too interesting. These two gentlemen over here lifting weights, by their muscles we can see that they're too strong, or this baby over here is too cute, which is a fact. And finally we have Shakira, who is too pretty, and no one can deny that. We have a picture here that I want you to give an adjective to. You can pause the video and then check your answer. Yes, that's right, she is too tired. Okay, the same, I want you to do the same for this picture over here. For this man, you guessed it, this man is too hungry. Excellent job. Okay, so let's move to too much. We use too much with uncountable nouns, or if you want to call them non-count nouns, that is okay. So if we look at this picture right here with this man buried in paperwork, we can say that he has too much work, or that this street uh, has too much traffic, or there's too much traffic in this picture. So if you can notice, the nouns work and traffic are uncountable nouns. That's why we use too much with them. So if you are trying to describe something that is an uncountable noun, make sure to use too much with it. Okay. Too many is similar to too much, but not similar at the same time, since many only uses countable nouns. So if we are going to say or to describe this picture in different words, we're going to say that this man is buried under too many papers, or that there are too many cars in the street. Okay, moving to not enough. Not enough is the opposite of too, which means that there is a need or want for something. Like this guy over here, he needs or wants money, but there isn't much. So we can say that he doesn't have enough money, or there isn't enough money. Both are the same, both are correct. So not enough, we can use it with nouns and we can use it with adjectives. But the trick is that nouns come after not enough, but adjectives come before. So for example, we say that there isn't enough water, or that there isn't enough security, or that there aren't enough policemen, or that there aren't enough hospitals. So what these sentences have in common is that they have nouns, and all of these nouns came after the enough part, or that the not enough part. But if we're describing this picture or what's happening here, this lady is not tall, so we say she isn't tall enough. And tall, which is an adjective, came before enough. So make sure to distinguish what you are writing or saying and to know where to place those words. Uh, for this lovely couple here, they're drinking something and maybe they're drinking coffee or tea. So we can say that their coffee or this coffee isn't hot enough. So we place the adjective hot before the word enough. This picture right here actually can be described in more than one way. So I'm going to need your comments on this picture using not enough. Make sure to bring them next class along with the description or your sentences for this meme, which I pretty much prefer and find extremely hilarious. That's our lesson in short. We'll get to details in our next class. Thank you for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed it. See you in the next